guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So I know I look like a Marees right now. It's because it's gonna be a skincare video, and yeah, I mean, you guys keep on asking me about my current skincare routine, hair care routine, and you know, when it comes to skincare, I feel that exfoliating is the most important part because जब तक अपने डेड स्किन सेल्स रिमूव नहीं करोगे तब तक कितने भी फैंसी फेस पैक्स लगा लो, they will not give you 100% results for sure. So I thought, why not to share with you guys the scrubs that I use for my face and body and how I scrub correctly. Also, there will be a giveaway on my Instagram, so make sure to stay till the end of the video to know the goodies that I'll be giving away. So the products that I've been using for a while is by the brand called M Caffeine. Now M Caffeine is India's first caffeine infused brand. Now the one thing that attracted me to these products is the ingredient, which is coffee, because trust me, coffee is so amazing for your skin. Secondly, these products are paraben free, and you know, they are actually made from the pure Arabia coffee. So this is M Caffeine's Naked and Raw Coffee Face Scrub, and this is M Caffeine's Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. साथ के साथ I got my hands on the M Caffeine's face wash as well, and this also works pretty well, guys. So there is no particular way of cleansing the face. You just have to apply the face wash and massage it in circular motion at least for 60 seconds or more if you want. So this particular cleanser does its job beautifully, cleanses the skin nicely and makes it look so fresh and glowy. So now that I've washed my face, I'm gonna pat it dry with my towel. So this cute towel I got from Miniso. I've kept it for my face. I'm gonna pat my skin dry, not completely dry because I have to use face scrub. So I'm gonna be using M Caffeine's Naked and Raw Coffee Face Scrub. So again, I'm gonna take a little bit of it. The very first thing that you have to do, that you should not do, I should rather say, is do not just go over like this and done. No, this is not at all the correct way, because earlier I used to use this method and it's so wrong for your skin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hands and first of all spread the scrub completely. So yeah, now what I'm going to do is, instead of tugging and pulling my skin, I'm going to start, you know, I'm going to start scrubbing my face in this motion. So basically you are just removing all the dead skin cells away from your face. So you can use this method for your cheeks. Now when it comes to nose, because इस area में बहुत ज़्यादा problems होती हैं, like whiteheads, blackheads, clogged pores and so on. There are a lot of problems. So make sure to focus on the T-zone more than the other areas. So just take two fingers and again just scrub the dead skin cells away from your face gently. And then take two fingers and just scrub it like this, very gentle again. Now for the chin, again remove the dead skin cells of your chin like this. Then now comes the forehead. So again I'm going to start scrubbing like this. So guys, with this scrub I actually have to do very less mehnat, because the particles are so fine that even with the light hand they perform their job very nicely, and yes, they are like, the particles are very gentle on the skin. Now comes the neck area. You just have to take your hands and just, you know, again remove the dead skin cells away from the neck. And I forgot to scrub my upper lips, guys. How can I do that? Anyway, so just have to repeat the same step again for your upper lips as well. Just close your mouth and, you know, do like this, remove the dead cells away. So I'm pretty much done with exfoliating my skin. Now I'm gonna quickly go and wash my face. Okay, so I have washed my face and I'm gonna pat it dry again. My skin feels so nice. I mean, it feels so soft right now. And yes, I am in love with it. I mean, it looks so clean and fresh and glowy. I mean, it looks like this whenever I use this scrub, and I am so happy. It feels so soft and, you know, nourished and moisturized because of the fact that, you know, this scrub has vitamin E and argan oil in it, which is so good. I mean, it will moisturize your face as well. If you have dry skin, it will not, you know, dry out your skin. I am so happy right now. That's that for exfoliating. Now after this video, I'm gonna apply a nice face pack to complete the routine. Now it's time to exfoliate the body because we cannot forget our body. It's our baby. The body scrub that I will be using is MCaffeine's Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. It smells exactly like coffee, I kid you not. So I usually use a body scrub whenever I take a shower, you know, so I just do it in the bathroom. But now I cannot take a shower right now, so I'm gonna be using this on my hand just to tell you guys how it is and how does it feel like. So first of all, it has coffee and coconut as well, so it exfoliates as well as it hydrates the skin at the same time because I have dry skin, so it works pretty well for me. What you have to do is you just have to, you know, apply it on wet skin and start massaging in circular motions. I'm gonna take this body scrub and start applying it on my hands. Do you see that? It looks exactly like coffee. So I'm going to start exfoliating my hand in circular motions. Trust me guys, it removes all the dead skin cells in one go. And again, if you have tanning, it is so good for your tanning as well. Once I am done exfoliating my hand, I'm going to wash it. So I washed my hand with lukewarm water as per the instructions. And again, I'm going to pat it dry. And can you guys notice the difference? Like I can definitely see the difference. ये थोड़ी खुरदरी सी winter skin लग रही है. And on the other side, this hand looks so soft. I mean, it feels so soft and it looks so smooth and soft and nice, glowy right now. So yes guys, that's pretty much it for this video. And after this video, I'm gonna go take bath and, you know, exfoliate my full body, and then I'll apply a mask also before that. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful for some of you. And now coming to the giveaway, so I'm gonna be giving away all these products to one of you. So I will be posting about the giveaway on my Instagram. I think I will do it right now or after some time, but you will definitely see a giveaway post on my Instagram in some time. So yes, the rules would be again on the post itself. So yeah, if you like the video, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Let me know if you want me to make any other sort of skincare video, and yeah, make sure to participate in the giveaway. And for that, you have to follow me on my Instagram. So all my social media links would be in the description box for you guys. And yes, I'm gonna see you next time. Till then, you all stay happy and stay beautiful. Bye bye.